Theta organization, a shared video dispersion convention controlled by blockchain, saw a critical cost droop during the crypto market decline in June and arrived at a 52-week low of 96 cents on the 13th of June 2022. On the 8th of August, the cost of Theta expanded by over 77% from its 52-week low to $1.71, a 90-day high. This cost increment happened in the midst of somewhat bullish market opinion. The flood compared with Theta's presentation of the world's most broad disconnected non-fungible token utility mission. We're beyond what 100,000 holders could utilize their Theta NFT on the web and disconnected utilizing Theta Pass innovation. Theta was exchanging at around 92 cents at the hour of composing on the 25th of November 2022, up 4.65% from the earlier day. How is it that Theta could act even with mounting expansion fears, a financial rut and a bear market? Here we investigate the coin's cost examination and the most recent Theta coin cost forecasts. What is Theta organization? Theta organization is a blockchain centered around media and diversion. Theta permits video and media stages to build incomes and abatement content conveyance costs, while remunerating end clients for sharing, stockpiling, or transfer speed on any PC, versatile, brilliant television, or IoT gadget. Theta is completely viable with Ethereum and offers Turing-complete shrewd agreements. These savvy contracts give another arrangement of client encounters and attribution models for the Theta network-based decentralized application. Thus, utilizing brilliant agreements on the Theta organization licenses digitized thing possession, new installment utilization models, straightforward eminence dispersions, and trustless crowdfunding procedures. Theta's interoperability with Ethereum permits the improvement of different interesting Web3 applications on the Theta organization. These applications incorporate NFTs, decentralized trades, and decentralized independent associations. Besides, Theta has a regarded validator and overseeing chamber headed by tech monsters like Google, Samsung, Sony, Innovative Specialists Organization, Binance, Blockchain Adventures, DHVC, and Gumi. Theta organization is a double organization involving two subsystems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge organization, which are reciprocal. The Theta blockchain upholds installment, award, and brilliant agreements. The Edge organization is answerable for putting away and conveying media resources like photos and motion pictures. Theta organization likewise utilizes a multi-token engineering. The Theta token is the Theta Convention's administration token. Theta is utilized to stake a validator or watchman hub, adding to Theta organization block creation and convention organization. Theta fuel is the Theta Convention's working token. tfuel is utilized for on-chain exercises, for example, installments to Edge hub relayers for video transfer sharing and introducing or drawing in with brilliant agreements. A third token, Theta Drop, sent off on the 1st of February 2022. It rewards movement on Theta's NFT commercial center, the Tadrop. By marking and working a hub, clients get a proportionate portion of the recently made tfuel. The stock of Theta is hard-covered and won't ever extend past 1 billion tokens. Theta USD cost investigation. As per ICO drops, Theta's underlying coin offering finished up in January 2018 at a symbolic cost of 12 cents. From that point forward, it has had a profit from venture of 601%, as indicated by CoinMarketCap. In light of Theta's verifiable cost graph, its cost declined from 30 cents on the 26th of January 2018 to 4 cents on the 16th of December 2018, a sharp decay of over 86%. It shut the year at 4 cents. Theta had a bullish beginning to 2019, spiking from 4 cents on the 1st of January to 18 cents on 10-walk 2019. The cost activity stayed negative throughout the next months and declined to 6 cents on the 24th of November. It shut the year somewhat higher at 8 cents. Toward the start of 2020, worldwide business sectors were shaken by the ascent of coronavirus and resulting overall lockdowns. This saw a few cryptographic forms of money decrease in esteem, including Theta, which tumbled to an unsurpassed low of 3 cents on 13-walk 2020. Nonetheless, market feeling turned super bullish for the Theta token a couple of months after the fact, as it acquired the 966% to reach 41 cents on the 26th of May 2020. The energy would proceed to the furthest limit of the year, and Theta came to $1.86 on the 31st of December. The more extensive digital money market was profoundly bullish toward the beginning of 2021. This aided the Theta token arrive at its unequaled high of $15.90 on the 16th of April. In any case, after this, the cost began declining forcefully, with the Theta token falling over 62% to reach $5.96 on the 23rd of May. The downtrend went on until the end of the year, and the coin shut 2021 at $4.71. In the midst of a few macroeconomic worries, the crypto market didn't track down an ideal beginning to 2022, and a few tokens declined in esteem. Theta token cost declined from $4.94 on the 1st of January to its 52-week low of 96 cents on the 13th of June 2022. Theta was exchanging at 92 cents starting around the 25th of November 2022 and had a market capitalization of $925 m, making it the 45th biggest digital money. Theta organization news and cost drivers. Theta has gone through a few significant achievements recently, which might drive the Theta token cost in future. Validator unstaking for biological system development. In September 2022, Theta organization reported it had unstaked a Theta tokens from the Ventures depository to fund biological system extension. Theta Labs unstaked a little measure of their depository, 15 million Theta out of a sum of 165 million Theta. This asset plans to facilitate the speed of center convention improvement, local area development, and client reception to additionally reinforce Theta as the chief blockchain for video, media, and diversion. The Authority blog video likewise accentuated that this step keeps on propelling the organization toward complete decentralization, with Theta Labs diminishing its stake extent from 27% to 24% of the all-out Theta marked by all validators and gatekeepers. Theta coin cost expectation focuses for 2022, 2025, and 2030. With the arrival of Ethereum 2.0, named the Union, the digital currency industry is ready for a huge biological system change. This may be a defining moment at recuperating cryptographic money costs, yet nothing in the digital currency market is unavoidable. Starting around the 25th of November 2022, the crypto dread and covetousness list hit 20, designating intense apprehension. This record assesses the ongoing mentality of the cryptographic money market and converts the information into a basic 0 to 100 scale. 100 shows incredible eagerness, while 0 demonstrates serious trepidation, as indicated by the Theta coin cost expectation from. The coin cost could increment to $1.22 by the 26th of December 2022. In the meantime, calculation-based forecasters gave blended long-haul Theta crypto cost expectation. Theta coin cost expectation for 2023 recommended the coin could be a terrible long-haul venture. It anticipated that the normal cost should hit 11 cents by the following year. Theta organization cost forecast said that the normal cost in 2022 could be $1.07, ascending to $2.33 in 2023 and $3.08 in 2024. Its Theta coin cost expectation for 2025 recommended the token could ascend to $4.17 prior to moving to $9.23 in 2029, $13.05 in 2030, and $17.90 in 2031. As per Theta coin cost forecast, it could average 96 cents in 2022 and $3.03 in 2025. Value expectations. Theta coin cost expectation for 2030 showed that the coin could reach $19.21. While taking a gander at any Theta coin cost forecast, recollect that examiners and